Living in Sugar Land, Texas, means enjoying warm, sunny weather for most of the year. However, during those cooler months, you may find that the temperatures can dip, making energy efficiency a major concern for homeowners. One area often overlooked when considering a home's energy efficiency is the insulation of doors. Proper door insulation is a crucial factor in ensuring comfort, reducing energy costs, and maintaining the integrity of your home. In this article, we'll explore why proper door insulation matters, especially for homes in Sugar Land. Energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the most immediate benefits of proper door insulation is its impact on your energy bills. A poorly insulated door can be a significant source of heat loss during the winter months and heat gain during the summer. When your door isn't sealed properly, your heating and cooling systems must work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. This results in higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Sugar Land residents can experience extreme temperature shifts, from hot summers to unexpectedly chilly winters. Properly insulated doors help mitigate these effects by keeping the conditioned air inside. By investing in energy-efficient doors with proper insulation, homeowners can expect to see a reduction in their monthly energy costs. Improved comfort levels. If you've ever felt a draft coming from your front or back door, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Even slight air leaks can cause cold spots during the winter, making it harder for your home to stay warm. Conversely, during the hot summer months, these leaks allow cool air to escape, forcing your air conditioner to work overtime. Properly insulated doors provide a barrier against these drafts, ensuring that your home remains at a comfortable temperature year-round. With improved insulation, you can maintain a consistent indoor climate, making your home more comfortable for everyone who lives there. It's especially important in areas like Sugar Land, where temperatures can fluctuate drastically throughout the year. Noise reduction. Another often overlooked benefit of well-insulated doors is the reduction of outside noise. If you live near a busy street or a noisy neighborhood, you may notice that sounds from the outside can easily enter your home through uninsulated doors. The right door insulation can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your living space, creating a quieter and more peaceful environment indoors. Whether it's the noise of passing cars, children playing in the neighborhood, or nearby construction, soundproofing your doors can make a big difference in the overall comfort of your home. Insulated doors can create a sound barrier that keeps the hustle and bustle of the outside world where it belongs, outside. Protection against the elements. In Sugar Land, the weather can be unpredictable, with occasional heavy rains and thunderstorms. Properly insulated doors act as an extra layer of protection against the elements. A well-sealed door can help prevent water from seeping inside, which could cause damage to your floors, walls, and even furniture. Additionally, it can prevent the buildup of moisture inside your home, reducing the risk of mold growth and other humidity-related issues. Doors with proper insulation can also help protect your home from extreme temperature changes. This means your home is less likely to experience the wear and tear that comes with fluctuating indoor temperatures, such as warped door frames or cracked paint. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Aesthetic value is another reason to invest in properly insulated doors. Modern insulated doors come in various styles and materials that can complement the overall look of your home. In addition to improving your home's curb appeal, high-quality insulated doors can increase the overall value of your home. Homebuyers in Sugar Land and the surrounding areas are increasingly looking for homes that offer energy efficiency and comfort. By upgrading to well-insulated doors, you not only make your home more appealing to potential buyers but also enhance its long-term value. Conclusion. In Sugar Land, where the weather can range from sweltering summers to unexpectedly cool winters, proper door insulation is essential for maximizing energy efficiency, improving comfort, reducing noise, and protecting your home. The upfront cost of upgrading your doors with better insulation may seem like an investment, but it will quickly pay off through lower utility bills, a more comfortable living space, and enhanced property value. When considering insulation for your doors, make sure to choose high-quality materials and consult with professionals to ensure the job is done right. Proper door insulation is an investment that benefits both your wallet and your home's overall performance.